Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter-5, Admission of a New Partner. Illustration sum number 23, last sum in this, in adjustment of goodwill, this is the last sum, okay. So, Satish and Sudan are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3. On 1st April 2018, they admit Soy as a partner. On the date the Soy's admission, goodwill appeared in the books of the firm at 35,000 rupees. By assuming fluctuating capital method, pause the necessary journal entry. If the partners decided to, first situation, write off the entire amount existing goodwill, write off the 21,000 of existing goodwill. There are two situations is given here. Let's understand the question first. Satish and Sudan both are old partner. Their old profit sharing ratio is 4:3. On 1st April 2018, the existing partner admitted Sasi as a new partner. On the date of admission, the goodwill appeared in the books of the firm 35,000 rupees. Okay. So, the goodwill value is 35,000 rupees. Right? Marked. There are two situations here given here. What they asked, pass the necessary journal entry. First situation, write off the entire amount of existing goodwill. Okay. Listen here carefully. At the time of admission of a new partner whose name is Sasi. Okay. At the time of admission of a new partner Sasi, the firm's total value of goodwill is 35,000 rupees. The first situation is given here, write off the entire amount existing goodwill, which means they already entered the goodwill value 35,000 rupees into their accounts book. Okay, at the time of admission, they already entered the goodwill value 35,000 rupees into their firm's accounts book. Write off the entire amount of existing goodwill. That means that 35,000 rupees total value of goodwill, we have to write off it, which means we have to cancel it. The three partners, including new partners and old partners, three partners decided to cancel the goodwill value. Why? Because they already entered the goodwill value into the accounts book. So for that, the partners decided to cancel the goodwill, which means return off entire goodwill. How can you pause the journal entry? If the format of the journal entry is old partners account debtor to goodwill account. Okay, how much value of goodwill? So how can you goodwill pass into the old partners with their sacrificing ratio? So 35,000 rupees they didn't given the sacrificing ratio. So we have to consider the old profit sharing ratio as the sacrificing ratio. The old profit sharing ratio is 4:3. So 4:3 means 4/7. And for Satish, okay. Now we have to cancel it. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35, 3 0 5 0 added here. 9 5 4s are 20. Okay. So 20 is entered to the Satish capital account. Then for Sudan's capital account, 35,000 rupees into sacrificing. What is the old profit sharing ratio? 4:3 means 3/7 for Sudan. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35, 3 5s are 15. 15,000 rupees belongs to Sudan's capital account. So the total entire goodwill value is 35,000 rupees. Listen here carefully. The goodwill value entirely belongs to existing partners. Okay. So at the time of admission of a new partner, the total value of goodwill 35,000 rupees. They already entered into their accounts book. If they already entered into the accounts book, if the partner decided to return off the goodwill, so how can you pause the journal entry? old partners capital account, respective old partners capital account debtor to goodwill value, goodwill account. Okay. Second situation, write off 21,000 of the existing goodwill. So total value of goodwill is 35,000 rupees. From that 35,000 rupees, you are going to only cancel 21,000 rupees goodwill. The existing partner decided to cancel the goodwill. Okay, the existing partner decided to cancel the entire value of goodwill 35,000 rupees. How can you pass the journal entry? Same. For this 21,000 value of goodwill, you are going to distribute the old partner's capital account as per their sacrificing ratio. So 21,000 rupees into 4 by 7. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 0 is added here, 3 4s are 12,000 rupees. And Sudan's, for Sudan, same 21,000 rupees, goodwill into 3 by 7, 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 0 is to be added here, 3 3s are 9,000 rupees belongs to Sudan's capital account. Listen here carefully, what is the difference between previous illustration and exercise from this illustration? At the time of admission of a new partner, the firm's value of total value of goodwill is 35,000 rupees. Got it? Then, if the firm's goodwill value is already entered into the accounts book at the time of admission of a new partner, if the partner decided to cancel that entire goodwill, return off that entire, write off that entire goodwill, first situation, what is the format of the journal entry? Respective old partner's capital account debtor to goodwill account. Second situation, at the time of admission of a new partner, the existing partner already entered the entire goodwill, already entered the accounts book. Now they cancel that goodwill value. The 21,000 from that 35,000, 21,000 rupees value of goodwill only, the return of. How can you pass the journal entry? Same journal entry, respective old partner's account debtor to goodwill account. We distribute that goodwill into the existing partner as per their sacrificing ratio, which means old profit sharing ratio. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you.